Dongfeng Warrior is making waves again, this time with the reveal of its latest intelligent flagship off-road vehicle, the Warrior M817. This new model is turning heads with its impressive proportions, rugged design, and serious performance technology. It has just appeared on the Ministry of Industry and Information Technology's official list, confirming that production is underway. The Warrior M817 stretches out with a wheelbase of 3,005 millimeters and overall dimensions of 5,100 millimeters in length, 1,998 millimeters in width, and up to 1,919 millimeters in height depending on the suspension setup. That means more space inside and stronger off-road presence. Thanks to an approach angle of 30 degrees and a departure angle of up to 30 degrees, it is built to handle rough terrain with ease. Underneath the aggressive bodywork is a powerful plug-in hybrid system generating over 700 horsepower. It combines a high-altitude certified Plateau PowerStar engine with intelligent multi-mode drive technology. Drivers can switch between full electric mode for city driving, a range extended mode for fuel saving, and hybrid mode for maximum torque when hitting trails or highways. The M817 also supports extensive original factory modifications. Buyers can personalize their ride through Dongfeng Warrior's off-road ecological customization platform. Options include electric side steps, roof trims, advanced lighting, and an optional trailer hitch. The air suspension model even adds rear-wheel steering and a 150mm adjustable suspension with continuous damping control, including a garage mode that drops the height by 45mm. Another standout feature is Huawei's Qiankun ADS 4.0 intelligent driving system. This marks the M817 as one of the first luxury off-road vehicles with advanced autonomous driving capability. The off-road version adds extras like nitrogen shocks and all-terrain tires. Dongfeng will officially unveil color choices and interior designs at the Guangdong, Hong Kong, Macau, Greater Bay Area Auto Show on May 31st, 2025. If you are looking for next-level tech and all-terrain power in one package, this vehicle is definitely worth a closer look. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest updates.